I hit this issue today and hit S the quick fix to solve it. If you are looking to withdraw money from your Varo account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your balance and withdrawal options. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once you're in the app, find and tap on the transfer option located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the money transfer and withdrawal options. Step 3. Select withdraw. In the transfer section, look for the withdraw option. Tap on it to proceed with your withdrawal request. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. You will be prompted to select how you want to withdraw your funds. Options may include transferring to an external bank account or using an ATM. Choose the method that suits you best. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the air.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. With these steps, you should be able to easily withdraw money from your Varo account. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Varo's customer support for assistance. Happy banking!